everyone. Welcome back to ESC Grammar and Structure. Have you ever wondered why we say, she loves him, but not, her loves he? Or why we say, this is my book, but, this book is mine? What's the difference between my and mine? And why do we sometimes say, I made it myself? If these questions confuse you, don't worry. Today, we're going to learn all English pronouns in one complete lesson. We'll learn 1. Subject pronouns. 2. Object pronouns. 3. Possessive adjectives. 4. Possessive pronouns. 5. Reflexive pronouns. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when and how to use every one of them. Let's begin. Part 1. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we use pronouns. For example, John is my friend. John is kind. John likes soccer. That sounds repetitive. Instead, we say, John is my friend. He is kind. He likes soccer. He replaces John. That's what a pronoun does. Part 2. The 5 main types of English pronouns. Here's the complete chart. Subject. Object. Possessive adjective. Possessive pronoun. Reflexive. I. Me. My. Mine. Myself. You. You. Your. Yours. Yourself. He. Him. His. His. Himself. She. Her. Her. Hers. Herself. It. It. Its. Its. Itself. We. Us. Our. Ours. Ourselves. You. You. Your. Yours. Yourselves. They. Them. Their. Theirs. Themselves. Now let's study each one carefully. Part 3. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns tell us who performs the action. They usually come before the verb. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Examples. I study English. You are happy. He plays football. She sings well. It is raining. We love grammar. You work hard. They live nearby. Notice that every sentence begins with the subject. The subject performs the action. Mini practice. Which word is the subject pronoun? She eats breakfast. Correct. She. Another one. They watch movies. Correct. They. Part 4. Object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action. They usually come after the verb or after a preposition. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Examples. She called me. I like you. We saw him. He thanked her. The dog followed it. They helped us. I invited you. She knows them. Notice something? The subject does the action. The object receives the action. Example. He loves her. Who loves? He. Who receives the love? Her. Part 5. Subject versus object. Let's compare them. I see him. I is the subject. Him is the object. She helped me. She is the subject. Me is the object. They visited us. They is the subject. Us is the object. Easy, right? Part 6. Possessive adjectives. Now let's talk about ownership. Possessive adjectives show that something belongs to someone. They always come before a noun. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Examples: my phone, your car, his house, her bag, its tail, our classroom, your teacher, their parents. Notice that a noun always comes after them. Part 7. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns also show ownership, but they replace the noun. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Examples: this book is mine. That bag is yours. The bicycle is his. The laptop is hers. The classroom is ours. The idea was theirs. Notice that no noun comes after these words. Part 8. Possessive adjective versus possessive pronoun. Let's compare them. My book. The book is mine. Her pencil. The pencil is hers. Their house. The house is theirs. Our classroom. The classroom is ours. Remember: possessive adjective plus noun. Possessive pronoun equals no noun. Part 9. Reflexive pronouns. Now let's learn reflexive pronouns. We use them when the subject and object are the same person. These are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Examples: I taught myself English. She looked at herself. He hurt himself. They introduced themselves. We enjoyed ourselves. The cat cleaned itself. We also use reflexive pronouns for emphasis. Examples: I made this cake myself. She fixed the computer herself. The president himself attended the meeting. Part 10. The complete comparison. Let's use one person. John. Subject: he is smart. Object: I know him. Possessive adjective: his book is new. Possessive pronoun: the book is his. Reflexive pronoun: he taught himself French. See? The same person changes depending on the job in the sentence. Let's do another one. Maria. She is kind. I saw her. Her dress is beautiful. The dress is hers. She bought it herself. Part 11. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Me like coffee. Correct. I like coffee. Mistake 2. She loves he. Correct. She loves him. Mistake 3. Mine book is new. Correct. My book is new. Mistake 4. The book is my. Correct. The book is mine. Mistake 5. He cooked by himself. Correct. He cooked by himself. Mistake 6. They're going home. Correct. They're going home. Remember: there equals possession. There equals they are. There equals place. Part 12. Memory trick. Think of these questions. Who does the action? Subject pronoun. Who receives the action? Object pronoun. Whose thing is it before a noun? Possessive adjective. Whose thing is it without a noun? Possessive pronoun. Did the subject do something to himself or herself? Reflexive pronoun. That's the easiest way to remember them. Part 13. Mini quiz. Question 1. Am tired. A. Me. B. I. C. Mine. Answer. B. I. Question 2. She called yesterday. A. I. B. Me. C. Mine. Answer. B. Me. Question 3. This is backpack. A. Mine. B. My. C. Myself. Answer. My. Question 4. The backpack is A. My. B. Mine. C. Myself. Answer. Mine. Question 5. He fixed the bike by A. Himself. B. Him. C. His. Answer. Himself. Question 6. They invited to dinner. A. We. B. Us. C. Our. Answer. Us. Question 7. The children enjoyed at the park. A. Them. B. Their. C. Themselves. Answer. Themselves. Final review. Let's review. 1. Subject pronouns perform the action. 2. Object pronouns receive the action. 3. Possessive adjectives come before nouns. 4. Possessive pronouns replace nouns. 5. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject or add emphasis. If you remember these 5 groups, you'll be able to build thousands of correct English sentences with confidence. Congratulations! You've just learned all 5 essential English pronoun groups in one complete lesson. Keep practicing by making your own sentences every day, and soon using pronouns correctly will become natural. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ESC Grammar and Structure for more easy-to-understand English grammar lessons. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.